Breaking news this morning, a powerful earthquake hitting the Philippines in the middle of the night. There are deaths and injuries and frantic rescue efforts happening as we speak. And ABC's Bob Woodruff is in the region. Bob.
Well, good morning.
Every year, over 2,000 earthquakes happened, or approximately 5 a day earthquakes in our country. In those earthquakes, 20 can be felt and 1 to 2 cause damage. We are all aware that Philippines is within the Pacific Ring of Fire, and Philippines is home to 300 volcanoes. To date, scientists haven't found a method or a way to predict earthquakes, which make this natural disaster more dangerous and destructive. But how does an earthquake occur in the first place? An earthquake is caused by a sudden slip on a fault that releases a sudden burst of energy that travels through the earth crust, which then causes an earthquake. Earthquakes are unpredictable, and we must always be ready for them. So, what will you do when an earthquake happens? First, find something you can go under to, like a table. If you can't find a table, find a hard object like a book, and you must do duck, cover, and hold until the earthquake has subsided. Before going out, use the book you've found to protect your head from falling debris, and then carefully go out and find an open area and wait until the authorities confirmed that it's safe to go back inside. Remember, you must always be ready and also help other people too.